outside enjoying, well, spring. I'm in this nature trail.
What up to my channel? Back in the channel.
Shut up, that's my channel.
April Brand. No, it's not.
That's
You're
not
making it
called
on
April
Mom's
Brand
phone.
anymore.
So it's Mom's channel.
It's called my channel. Okay. We're going the long way today of the nature trail.
Gaming, but we have skipped that. We need to do nature.
So annoying. Well, we saw the biggest duck ever.
Is it a family? I don't want to go for the family. I might think we're trying to attack it. Come on, let's just walk. Don't look at it. Don't look at the ducks. Where Dan?
You close
And we have found the biggest ducks ever.
I'm scared of them right now.
We could have walked past it already. Come on, hold my hand.
Well, it looks like they're coming.
Hold my hand. Come on, hold my hand.
They come and they go.
Hold my
And
hand.
we're about to show them
Come on.
the,
All right, let's go.
the
Let's
nature
walk.
show.
Let's go.
I'm trying to do
Not gonna
something
do
new
nothing.
than this
Come on,
gaming.
let's
Are you sure they're not going to do anything to it?
Just gonna walk.
Just gonna walk. Just gonna walk. Okay. I was running. I'm running. Now I'm running. Oh my God, that was so scary. I thought those ducks was going to murder us.
Woohoo! Thank you. So we are on our nature walk just past these ducks, and now my brothers are scared. And now we are about to. Hey, Mom! She snapped your phone.
From you.
Yeah, but he snatched it. You better snatch his head off.
Who cares? Snitch.
Hey, you could be doing that on the YouTube video, DJ. Oh, I'm dropping in on this. I wouldn't jump in. I'll break my legs if I did.
No, don't even get too close to that. Come over here. Come.
Just looking at that.
I'm a survivor. I ain't gonna give it.
You're messing it up. We're not trying to sing TikTok sounds.
I'm a survivor.
Yes, it is. Well, it's a TikTok sound. Well, yeah, well, we're just walking on this nature trail, seeing what else is going to happen to just walking. Is that a playground? Is that a playground? Let's see if that's a playground. I see a kid on it. Is that a playground? Mom, I think I found a playground. Oh my God, that's a playground. I think so. There's some sort of tree house or something. Some sort of playground. I think that's a tree house I'm looking at. The only way we know, we find out is if we go there. And we're walking so far. Is that a tree house? Yes, I think that is a tree house.
You want to go this way or you want to go all the way around?
Wow.
Daniel's all the way around.
Is that a tree?
This one looks so easy. It looks so cool because it's like.
It does look cool. Here's like a little.
Ooh, that's fine.
What is that?
Oh, it's a little thing you can see.
That'd have been like a shortcut.
Oh, that's the turn.
Well, the more we gotta walk, is the more the videos get interesting.
Actually, no, the video got interesting when we were scared of those ducks. Wow. Over
That
here.
was pretty
Wow.
funny,
Over
I
there.
guess.
Wow.
You wanna go around?
Go around.
Go around and go around.
Wow.
Can you see the sun shining on me?
Vito, where you going?
Turn the brightness down.
Hi. Hi. How
Hi.
you doing? Stay safe.
Safe.
Stay safe.
Stay safe. There's probably a lot of raccoons around.
I want to go down. I am not scared. That looks so cool. Like literally, it looks like a maze in like the water.
Yeah. Man, I wish I can go canoeing in that.
Well, we don't have a kayak.
I mean kayaking. Well, we can buy a yacht.
Wait,
We can buy a yacht. A yacht is like a really rich boat, like a personal boat. A yacht. What kind of name is yacht? I know a rapper named Yachty. Or Yachi or something like that. Just walking some more. The walking galore. And it went like, so I wanted to walk in and I went like this. Hey Mom. Hey Daniel. Hey Deanna. Love to the family. Let's keep going the long way, because that is more interesting.
Cut to this one.
We'll just have to go to the short way. Try and get money off of YouTube and hit that 10-minute mark.
DJ, tell them that to your fans. It doesn't make them subscribe.
I'm trying to get subscribers to make my videos more interesting.
This is interesting. When you guys see those jokes. Hello, YouTube. Can you see me? Because my brother's not letting me be in the video. But hi, I really want a Roblox YouTube channel. Oh, and don't forget to friend request me or follow. Well, if you friend request me on Roblox, I will follow you. Because I have a friend limit. I have 200 friends. So I will follow you if you friend request the amazing one. All lowercase, number 1. DEDEAMAZING 1. Number 1.
All right. Signing out.
No!
Peace.
No. I want to keep making videos.